Are you tired of driving with dull, lifeless sound in your car, where every beat feels flat and every lyric gets lost in the road noise? The truth is, most factory-installed car speakers just don't cut it. But here's the good news. Today I'm reviewing 6 of the best car speakers under $50 that can completely transform your driving experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're craving crisp highs, decent mid-bass, or just a reliable upgrade, this list has something for everyone. Stick around until the end to find the best speaker for your needs. And before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment about which of these speakers you'd love to try, and check the links in the description for the best deals on all the speakers I'll be reviewing in this video. The Boss Audio System CH65 AOB Chaos Series speakers are 6.5-inch car door speakers that deliver a maximum power of 300 watts per pair. They are designed as 3-way full-range coaxial speakers with a 4 ohm impedance, offering a combination of woofer, mid-range, and tweeter for balanced sound. The cone is made from durable materials to withstand heat and pressure, and they are sold in pairs, making them a budget-friendly option for replacing factory speakers. The Boss CH65 30OB speakers are surprisingly loud for their price point. The highs are crisp and the mids are decent, though the bass is not as deep as premium models. Installation was straightforward and they fit easily into standard 6.5-inch slots, which makes them a good choice for DIY upgrades. What makes these speakers stand out is their affordability combined with a 3-way design, which is rare at this price. They are best for drivers who want an inexpensive upgrade that still delivers noticeable improvement in clarity and volume compared to stock speakers. If you're on a tight budget but want a fuller sound, these are a solid pick. The Kenwood KFC 16-666 speakers are 6.5-inch 2-way coaxial speakers with a peak power of 300 watts and a rated input of 30 watts RMS. They feature a polypropylene woofer cone and a 1-inch balanced dome tweeter, with a frequency response ranging from 40 Hz to 22 kHz. The impedance is 4 ohms, and they have a sensitivity of 92 decibels, which means they can deliver efficient sound even with modest power. What impresses me most with these Kenwood speakers is their balance. The bass response is tighter than you would expect, and the highs are smooth without being harsh. They don't distort easily, even at higher volumes, which makes them reliable for everyday use. The build quality also feels sturdy, and installation was simple. The standout feature of the Kenwood KFC 1666S is their sound field enhancer design, which helps widen the listening experience. These are best for people who want a balanced sound profile with good bass and clear highs, making them ideal for commuters who enjoy a mix of music genres. The Pioneer TS-F1634R speakers are 6.5-inch 2-way coaxial speakers with a maximum power of 200 watts and a nominal power of 25 watts RMS. They use an injection-molded polypropylene cone woofer and a balanced dome tweeter with a 4-ohm voice coil. The frequency response ranges from 31 Hz to 16 kHz. They are designed for easy installation with a flush mount style. These Pioneer speakers are proven to be reliable and consistent. They don't deliver booming bass, but they provide a clean mid-range and pleasant highs. For casual listening, they are more than enough, and they are lightweight, which makes installation quick and hassle-free. The standout quality of these Pioneer speakers is their durability and ease of installation. They are best suited for drivers who want a simple, dependable upgrade from factory speakers without needing advanced audio equipment. If you value reliability and balanced sound, these are a great option. The JVC CSJ620 speakers are 6.5-inch 2-way coaxial speakers with a peak power of 300 watts and 30 watts RMS. They feature a mica cone woofer and a 1-inch polyethylamide balanced dome tweeter with a hybrid rubber and cloth surround. The frequency response is 35 Hz to 22 kHz. They have a shallow mount design for easy installation in tight spaces. The impedance is 4 ohms, and sensitivity is around 92 decibels. These JVC speakers deliver more punchy bass compared to other budget models. The mids are clear, and the highs are sharp, making them versatile for different music styles. The shallow mount design is particularly useful when installing them in a compact car where space is limited. The standout feature of the JVC CS J620 is their hybrid surround and shallow mount design, which makes them ideal for cars with limited installation depth. They are best for drivers who want strong bass and clear highs in a compact package, perfect for energetic music lovers. The DS18 G525 Xi Gen X speakers are 5.25-inch two-way coaxial speakers with a maximum power of 135 watts and 45 watts RMS. They feature paper cone woofers and 1-inch mylar balanced dome tweeters with neodymium magnets. The impedance is 4 ohms, and they have a sensitivity of 84 decibels. They come with a steel basket for durability and include grills for protection. These DS18 speakers are loved for being compact yet powerful. While they don't deliver the deepest bass due to their smaller size, but the clarity in vocals and instruments is excellent. They are lightweight and easy to install, and the included grills add a nice touch of protection. What makes the DS18 G5.25 Xi stand out is their durability and clarity in a smaller form factor. They are best for drivers with smaller cars or those who want to upgrade secondary speaker positions without spending much. If you value crisp sound and durability, these are a smart choice. The Skar Audio RPXN65 speakers are 6.5-inch two-way coaxial speakers with a maximum power of 200 watts and 60 watts RMS per pair. They feature a 20mm aluminum dome tweeter and a polypropylene cone woofer, with a frequency response of 40 Hz to 20 kHz. The sensitivity is 89 decibels, and they have a 4 ohm impedance. They are sold as a pair and designed to deliver reliable sound quality at an affordable price. The Skar Audio RPX65 speakers impress with their balanced sound. The bass gets deeper than expected, the mids are warm, and the highs are clear without distortion. They are a premium upgrade despite their budget-friendly price, and installation is straightforward. The standout feature of the Skar Audio RPX65 is their overall balance and reliability. They are best for drivers who want a well-rounded sound upgrade that works across all genres of music. If you want the best combination of bass, clarity, and durability under $50, these are the speakers to beat. So there you have it, the top 6 best car speakers under $50. Whether you're looking for affordability, compact design, or balanced sound, there's a speaker here that fits your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab the best deals on these budget speakers, and leave a comment below telling me which one you choose for your car. And most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss more reviews and guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.